So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to increase the size. So I'm just going to select the zoom tool for now, left click, right click, and then zoom out, and then right click, zoom out. And now select the move tool, check the transform controls, select the image layer. And now if you want to scale it from the center proportionally, just hold the Alt key and then scale it up. So here it is. And now click on this icon here to confirm. And now, for example, I can move my layer. As you can see, the pixels are outside the Canva boundaries. So now let's center the layer. So the first thing you need to do is to rasterize your layer. So right click and then rasterize. And now left click here, select the crop tool. So here I'm just going to leave it to free. Left click here, make sure to select trim. And just make sure to select delete cropped pixels. And then just click on this icon here to confirm. So here it is. And now if I select the move tool, so as you can see, there are no outside pixels. So if I select, so for example, if I move it, so here it is, pixels are cropped. So Ctrl Z to undo.